The length versus number of objects simulation allows you to control two different quantities. On the left side, it allows you to control a certain number of objects, each represented as a dot, which can be negative. On the right-hand side, separately, it allows you to control the length of something by setting it directly. This can be rotated in different directions. The number of objects is given the name x, and the length of the segment is given the name f of x. And currently the values are separate. Changing the number of objects doesn't affect the length over here. The simulation allows us to make a connection between the two quantities by simply entering the name of the number of objects in the definition of the length. So for instance, by putting x as the length, we can now change the number of objects and the length corresponds. We can put any function or expression with x inside and we'll get a similar connection. Now this says that the length is equal to the number of objects plus 2. So the number of objects is 4 and the corresponding length is 6. And if we change the number of objects to 5, the length increases 1 as well to 7. So in this way, the length versus number of objects allows us to explore different connections between the number of objects and the length of something.